What's up everybody, Matt Maran here for another video from New York. This is the 2019 Jaguar F-Pace SVR, the 550 horsepower supercharged 5-liter V8 version of the F-Pace. It's got the 22-inch wheels there on. Those brakes are also larger and lighter. I think 15.5-inch brakes. All the aerodynamics and whatnot are optimized, to help it slip through the air easier and reduce lift. I really like the little cuts you have there in the rear bumper, the quad exhaust, the little mini diffusers off to the side there. It's a pretty cool, very sporty look. Also, to go along with that 550 horsepower, it has 502 pound-feet of torque, 176 mile/hour top speed, and it'll do 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds. So, pretty quick. Not quite as quick as that new Maserati Levante Trofeo, but just a hair slower, but I'm sure it's going to be a lot cheaper. These start at $81,000, and they'll be available this summer. And I mean, for 81 grand, look at that interior. I mean, obviously this one probably has some optional extras, but you get carbon fiber trim, very nice quilted leather seats, and overall I think it's a much nicer looking interior as well than a regular F-Pace, with some more soft touch stuff than you usually get. But yeah, so anyway, that is the all new Jaguar F-Pace SVR. I think it's pretty sweet, and it's going to sound awesome too.